Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making Lim's love potion. Ladies, if you need a drink to stay in and binge watch your favorite show, this is going to be it. Or for you guys who want to impress your girls and get the night started, you're going to want to watch this. So let's get started. Okay, let's get started. First, you're going to need some Chablis, Chambord, some strawberries, mint, of course some ice, and let's not forget about our wine glass. Now, let's put this all together. Starting off with our ice. We're gonna top it with diced strawberries. We're gonna pour in our Chablis. We're gonna splash in some Chambord. And then garnish it with our strawberry and our mint. And there you have it. I love potion.